Ever wondered if one simple plant could solve common health issues like sunburns, digestive problems, and even help in managing diabetes? Well, nature has a potent solution tucked away in the succulent leaves of aloe vera, a plant that has been revered for its healing properties since ancient times. Dive in as we explore the health benefits of this miracle plant and how you might harness them in your daily life. Aloe vera, with its prickly exterior and gooey interior, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with over 75 active components including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The first benefit that comes to mind is its role in skincare. Aloe vera gel, extracted from the plant's leaves, has been used for centuries to treat sunburns, soothe irritations, and even combat signs of aging. It's the plant's anti-inflammatory and cooling properties that lend a healing touch, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Next, let's not forget about aloe vera's contribution to digestive health. The plant's juice, loaded with enzymes and fiber, aids digestion and can alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. It also helps in detoxifying the body, flushing out toxins, and promoting overall gut health. A lesser-known fact is the role of aloe vera in managing diabetes. Studies suggest that consuming aloe vera juice can help lower blood sugar levels, making it a natural aid for those managing this condition. But how can one incorporate aloe vera into their routine? It's simple. Fresh aloe vera gel can be directly applied to the skin, while the juice can be incorporated into your diet, either by consuming it straight or adding it to smoothies. However, it's important to note that while aloe vera has numerous benefits, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health regimen. If you find this video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now imagine the power of nature at your fingertips. Imagine the difference aloe vera can make to your health and well-being. This isn't just theory, it's a practice embraced by millions around the globe. Experience the benefits of aloe vera for yourself. Remember, health is wealth and nature holds the key to this treasure. Embrace the power of aloe vera and unlock the potential of your health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nature.